Hey y'all, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and share with y'all the new suite that's coming out for early release to everyone on May the 2nd. It's called Share What You Love Suite, and there's 3 options, 3 bundles that you can choose from, but I kind of wanted just to show you the just getting started bundle, and this is for the beginning crafter. And it's right here in the top, and I'm going to finish this card I started today featuring, we're going to case it, which means copy and share everything. Case this card, and what you get in this bundle, if you're new to stamping and want to start stamping, this is a great bundle to get. It's $57, and you can order this in my online store. You get the Love What You Do stamp set. It's got some real pretty images in there, watercolor wash, some flowers, and I'll show you some more about this set in just a minute. You're going to get a very generous package of very vanilla cardstock, and this is the thick, and you get 40 sheets of that to make your card bases. You get the new Grapefruit Grove stamping pad, and this is the new design. I have the old design because it also comes with Old Olive. So I have the old design in which you pop it up and flip it. That's the old design. And this one you'll get a new design in Old Olive, and you'll get Grapefruit Grove. And the new design, you don't pop it up, you pop it up like a compact this way and slide it just like that. So you will get Old Olive in the new design and Grapefruit Grove in the new design. You will get a block E. That way, if you don't have a block yet, this one is D, so the E is going to be slightly larger. You will get a block, and then you will also get a pack of envelopes. You get 40 very vanilla medium size envelopes, and there are 40 in here as well. So this has the potential of making 40 cards. So the stamp set, Love What You Do, sayings are, it's a beautiful day, I'm lucky to have a friend like you, love what you do, and thank you. So you can send friend cards, thank you cards with just this one set. And the envelopes come free with this bundle. The next bundle is called A Little Bit More Please, and you get another stamp set. You'll get the coordinating cardstock that goes with that, and it comes with 2 free products. Then if you want to jump all in and get the Gotta Have It All bundle, you will get lots of stuff, and I will link this flyer so you can go online and look at it. It comes with 2 stamp sets, the doilies, ribbon, ink pad, an embossing folder, this gorgeous Share What You Love Designer Series paper, and your free products. You get Statement of My Heart stamp set, envelopes, and an embellishment kit. I got this kit, and it is amazing. So let's finish this card right here that I already started. So I took my card base, which is 5.5 by 8, and it is scored at 4 1/4. And it doesn't look very well in the center, but we're covering that up. And I just took the flower from this set and just randomly stamped it around. Then I took the wash stamp and just stamped off and stamped on. Now I'm going to show you how I do the smaller flowers. So I've got it already mounted on my block. And I've got my scrap piece of paper for stamping off. So stamp off and then fill that in. looks good. So the next thing that I have is my little sentiment square, and see how it just covers everything up just like that. So we're going to pop that up on with some dimensionals, and this little piece was 2 1/4 by 3. So I will link all these product numbers underneath this video so you can get back to it. So here is my finished card. I went ahead and used the leaf stamp for out of Love What You Do stamp set, and I just stamped it first with full strength, the old olive, and then stamped beside it several times. So this is the card that was made from that bundle, and I wanted to also tell you, if you order from me, I will send you some freebies. I will send you some sample of the DSP that's coming out, and I will also give you 4 different card options, and the bases, and the sentiment strips for you to use, and a PDF on 4 different options that you can make with this stamp set. So visit my online store, and if you want any of the bundles, like I said, if you order from me, I will send you a PDF to make 4 more cards, different styles, absolutely free. So thanks for shopping. Thanks for looking. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you can get future videos. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.